How do I merge two dictionaries in a single expression in Python? Introduction. Dictionaries are one of the most commonly used data structures in Python. They store key-value pairs, mappings, structured data. Example: user equals name John, age 25. A very common Python task is combining two dictionaries into one. This is called dictionary merging. A common Python interview question is, how do I merge two dictionaries in a single expression? This topic explains dictionary merging techniques, modern Python syntax, dictionary unpacking, the merge operator, handling duplicate keys, performance considerations, best practices, common mistakes. This is a core Python programming concept. What does dictionary merging mean? Dictionary merging means combining key-value pairs from multiple dictionaries into a new dictionary. Example: A equals x1, B equals y2. Merged result: x1, y2. Method 1. Dictionary unpacking. Most common. Introduced in Check Python 3.5 plus. Dict 1, Dict 2. Example: A equals x1, B equals y2. Result equals A, B. Print result. Output: x1, y2. How it works. Dictionary unpacks all key-value pairs, duplicate keys behavior. If keys overlap, later dictionary wins. Example: A equals x1, B equals x99. Result equals A, B. Output: x99. Because caps B overrides A. Method 2. Merge operator. Modern Python. Introduced in double quotes Python 3.9 plus. Syntax: Dict 1, Dict 2. Example: A equals x1, B equals y2. Result equals A plus B. Print result. Output: x1, y2. Duplicate keys. Same rule. Right side dictionary overrides. Example: A equals x1, B equals x100. Print A, B. Output: x100. Y is popular. Concise, readable, modern syntax. Very similar to set union. Method 3. Using update. Older approach. A equals x1, B equals y2. Result equals A copy. Result.update B. Important difference. Update is check, modifies existing dictionary, while and create new dictionaries. Internal merge concept dictionary. A, copy keys. Dictionary B, override duplicates. Final merged dictionary. Merging multiple dictionaries result equals A, B, B. Or result equals A, B, C. Real-world example configuration. Merging default config equals timeout 30, debug false. User config equals debug true. Config equals default config plus user config. Output: timeout 30, debug true. User settings override defaults. Performance considerations. Method creates new dict, Python version unpacking. 3.5 plus. Operator, update. Performance differences are usually minimal for small dictionaries. Common beginner mistakes. 1. Forgetting Python version A, B. Requires curlin, Python 3.9 plus. 2. Expecting deep merge. Normal merge is X shallow merge. Example: A equals a dictionary with X mapped to another dictionary containing Y equals 1. B equals a dictionary with X mapped to another dictionary containing Z equals 2. Result: A, B. Output: XZ2. Entire nested object replaced. 3. Accidentally mutating original dictionary, A.update. Changes A. Best practices. Use ln in modern Python 3.9 plus. Use asterisk for compatibility. Avoid mutating originals unless intended. Understand shallow versus deep merge. Use clear merge order intentionally. Deep merge versus shallow merge, shallow merge. Only top-level keys merged. Deep merge. Nested dictionaries merged recursively. Requires custom logic or libraries. Advantages of modern merge syntax. Concise, readable, expressive, functional style, avoids side effects. Simple definition dictionary merge. Combining key value pairs from multiple dictionaries into a single dictionary. Simple definition dictionary unpacking. Using exclamation to expand key value pairs into another dictionary. Final summary. Python supports merging dictionaries in a single expression using dictionary unpacking -a-b or modern Python 3.9 plus syntax. Merge operator A:(b). If duplicate keys exist, comma, later values override earlier ones. Key idea. Python provides clean and readable ways to combine dictionaries efficiently in a single expression.